adom na we ye bema na wotu na wama wo nyonko bema say be nufu abobọ bema wo bo brazia ebe gina odada o say kan kweneko tieti flex bra kweneko tieti palace palace say den catch Dr. Ren say the we owia no ho hwa me no wonu ankasa mbra be face me so wo ye bema na say no kura wonimu a wo me face me na me ngugu omu ni na one A+ is already a death case. Abraham dey say me bo nyansa na me expose say nkura the same no be ye no Matthew say was starting twa no ho that you see Matthew say Abraham no say dey o say member 9 no ampa Akufo Addo education e bo ano because tankanya sa anko onim kwanya anko betumi do omo aye dey obi omo akọ school enti na dey Abraham say Akufo Addo aye ade na onyan kan wie yo obeka Akufo Addo nsa mpa na akopim da obewu because Akufo Addo no onye nhwe e no tu na ni si so because yes mahama bema musika afeni ekoje first one dig out there e na ma frɛ katechi omo mpa e na ma frɛ katechi free fa no wono no position and name mu twa first day omo kwaya sa ade ne day na 7 ni turu mu ate no e na me ka kire mo say this boy enye said dia face the country for kan ono omo ya adwene o baby he is an opportunist we who ni say Ghana mebunu ni bi adwene wo fom ntino omo taking it serious entino on shouldn't create no who say oni omo ni na ya adwene na o may say oh because be kaya na Akufo Addo answer no be president no one of the things I dey kai no eyekumi prekon demonstration no enti kateche free fan so pese onu so ni din ka Ghana history ho the reason why I departed from ever calling him intelligent because me first na Akufo friend oh boy and your friend kateche free fan so oya ade pra MPP ni but when he made that decision said your no ni din baba history mu say brebi group bi ba ya from face the country na kateche bi ya friend na free fa ka ho no enu nti Ghana ense yenye constitutional overthrow you will no longer become intelligent to me because as a smart person you yo o man yi say yo hwan na na de oto anye na ne nyagro oto tena oto wa to ne de guess ye wo ho ni no beto nyom kwasi apia beto ne kama akire omo enyum no mu nsem na la pada enyum no mu nsem na la pada adentia o same de ya wo ya to NDC o ya de MPP mu an ya wo o na me na MPP chairman MPP say na fa MPP jimia wo se kwasi men kama no ntu mabo dam papa na bo masum ya de no kura de betuatua mo asama ka kire mo ye betuatua mo akopim say that old archaic way of thinking about politics never start. Because the same old way in normal fire, omudi we are yajine. We a journalist. When I was CSA, we a journalist, you need the freedom to work. Raskotoka, during Rollins time, most of these your boys would have been killed by now. All those boys talking shit, talking crazy things about Nana Akufo Addo. Are you aware? Your government was so intolerant that when people even sold sardine, he killed them for selling sardine. That is how intolerant your government was. And still is. Utie Raskotoka, your NDC, your PC, Tintanla, Kwashiakwe, because your co-party, no bagger wire, Jimmy Party, no. They were the first people we gave Ghana to. And now, Mr. You have 11 years rolling. And the man, John Bombonsko, Daliga, sixth form economist, Airbus corrupt official one, everything is everything. So far as Amenya Kakrata friend, yes, a Ghana playing that share and shit, Mahama. I'm a born abysmal. I feel about me until the baby, I tell you, or no, your vice president. Just say, yeah, Suso Nanadu, Nanadu was a mini tonko. I don't know what that cry, Nana. Nanadu, one team who case was here, Jumano, and Woye. Utie, Raskotoka, Nana Akufo Addo said, only a year Ghana for the social contract. And yes, I'm noise, no. Once our very page, so. Now, why to a bear mark and tinker? Nyankopon adom na we ye bema na wotu na wama wo nyonko bema say be nufu abobọ that man will go Brazil. Ebe jina order down say can go to flex bra. Can go to palace. And palace said
government only policy. There be any policy. Into momo de ene de. Ye de ene say ye kana wa mpenia. Near the veranda boys ne. Azoka boys ni mule Jimmy Fono. Near the omaba. Near Meska kakrama. Yokateche free fan fix the country for no. No ma share Jimmy Fobi to say Kofi blade no yellow. Say mon konko ye. A way demonstration. Now what you need for the first time. What you also ways also with the way Jimmy for we NDC need Jimmy for now ways for the first time in our life, in the life of Ghana. Assembly plants are they assemble cars Ghana. We nyansenia me nyanseni into the minimum say nena ye shisha ne keke wa ha ochine bi beba afei de ye be manufacture parts and things here. Na mesre wo say Ghana for pa nti e dia kra nti mo gidi pa say de betumi asolve ane mahama mo nti mo ye sure pa say mahama nkwa na betumi asesa Ghana for 4 years. Mo jimi o mo bebre mo atwene nya adwuma o obi aye minister waye MP waye vice president waye president once sa Ghana. When you're serious, I can't 4 years, but so now do you see the agenda? You met 2 women in this car. President Mahama, the Oba Bechiska, will be a BDB. Say, any yet you say, any yet you say. Yeah, only baby. Akufo Addo amembu na obu no. Say, who be a watina a bruchire kakra. Ana will be a wetu kwan kakra. Na ope oh my Ghana yeah. I tell you, say you would always love Akufo Addo because near maybe a connected no na just a wutu kwaya and sana wenya. Akufo Addo lifted the image of Ghana to the point where now they are those ones that are coming in. Na muni bibi wawa. Mede Dubai trip yasa maybe see or no. We make our government go outside. If you welcome. So that we can be able to do what? So that we can be able to network and partner with other nations. Akufo Addo ko Dubai no nye slay queens no de omko ho ne omko de da yo there bi. Ati say Akufo Addo enye slay queens bi. And okofa yes wo de omko Dubai. Oko lifted the image of Ghana high for everybody to see how far Ghana is going. Because say ye invite Mahama anko Buckingham Palace. Ye invite Mahama anko Angela Merkel kitchen table so. Ye invite Mahama anko White House. Ama nene say be Secretary of State po enkodi nkomo. Mo de mo pa mo hwe oko you and how many times? Ya papa Mahama oko representing you and how many times? Abe no who no world leader big na okra joint either. But Akufo Addo any program bia ye invite man akobia no Akufo Addo goes, and if he's not the main speaker, he is part of the lead speakers on that kind of portfolio. Seriously, we know person to person comparison.